Welcome, parents and students of Future Leaders, to our second tutorial of Microsoft Teams. For those of you who have not watched the first tutorial was about how to install the Microsoft Teams desktop app or how to use the web app from any web browser. Today, I will be showing you the basic features of Microsoft Teams and how the students and the teachers will be able to interact. The first step, I will double click on the program Microsoft Teams. It will automatically, as I said before, it will automatically create a desktop shortcut for you. And then this is uh, the main page of the desktop app. I will show you on the left side the different icons or the different tabs and what are they used for. To start with, I will start with the Activity tab. This Activity tab will show you all the notifications or if there are any updates posted by the teacher or any notifications that will appear, it will appear over here. So you have to be careful and the students should pay attention to all the new notifications that are coming. If in case the student wants to see the different classes, they have to click on the second tab, which is the Teams tab. In this tab over here, they will see all the subjects they are taking. Because this is only a sample account, so they will just show you some examples. As you can see here, we have an English class, Arabic social studies, and science. So let's say, for example, the student has the Arabic social studies class from 9 to 9:45. So the student will click on the Arabic social studies class, and then they will see all the updates that are happening here. The facilitator or the teacher will be posting the general announcements in something called the general channel. When I click on it, the facilitator will have the general announcements here. So it's very important for the student to pay attention to this tab because any announcement that the teacher will say will appear here. In this general channel or in this tab, the student will not be able to send any messages. The messages that will be sent in the other channels that will be created by the facilitator. So for example, here we have a channel called Dars Imara wa Musamma. In this channel, anything related to the lesson, the channel will be the lesson title, and anything related to the lesson will be posted here. So from here, the student can send a message to the teacher, they can attach a file, and they can interact with their teacher. If in case the student wants to see any files that are uploaded, they will go to the Files tab, and any files that the facilitator shares with her students or with the students will be shared and will be here. Now, going back to the post section. In the post section, in the time of the class, the facilitator will be conducting a meeting. There will be a notification to the students asking them to join the class. When the teacher is conducting the meeting, they will get the notification and the student should just click on join and then they will be added to the meeting. If in case the student was not online in that time, the facilitator will be recording the meeting and in the channels area, in this area, they can see the recorded session. If also they don't want to see the recorded session, they can go to the general channel and they will go to the Files tab, and in the Files tab, as you can see here, the course materials, and they will find all the recorded presentations or all the recorded items here. If the student wants to join the conversation or the meeting that is conducted by the facilitator, they will go to the channel, and then when they click on the channel, it will show there is a tab or an option where it says meeting now, and then you will click on join. You have to be very careful because the first step that we should do, we should make sure that our camera is off, and after I turn my camera off, we can join the session now. Click on join now, and automatically the student will be added to the class, and the interaction between the student and the facilitator will take place here. To conclude this tutorial, I will just show you how to access the assignments. If a student has an assignment and they want to solve it, they can go to the Assignments tab here, and then in the Assignments tab, they will see all the classes that they are in or all the subjects that they are in. Let's say they have an English assignment, so they click on it, the English class, and then they click on next, and then any assignments that will show over here. Later on, I will be creating another tutorial to show you how to download assignments and how to finish turning in the assignments. Thank you and have a good day.